Impressive, and I know that our final speaker is going to follow in the example set.
Respected moderator, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am Faizal Khan from Nurul Islam University, India. I take this opportunity to thank Dr. Kamte Umkale for giving this opportunity to present a renewable energy solar industrialization. I am coming from a rural part of India. The scarcity of power and voltage fluctuations are the major challenges of our villages. And I'm running a hospital, it's a super specialty hospital, and we are performing the advanced cardiac procedures and neonatology ICUs. So especially in the advanced cardiac procedures, we have to get a full throat power supply. We developed a unique renewable hybrid energy system to overcome the crisis. And the main inspiration about our project is from our Honorable Prime Minister, Narendra Modi. His wish is there to build a modern India with renewable energy sources. As you must be knowing, the cardiac catheterization laboratory is the most power-consuming equipment in a hospital. It takes 135 kilowatt power to just start up the mission. So we are using the cardiac catheterization laboratory and all life-saving equipments, including neonatology ICUs, runs entirely on renewable energy sources. We installed a 200 kilowatt solar power panel, which installed on the rooftop of the hospital, and the remaining energies we are getting from the triple axis wind turbine technology. So both this technology, we are developing a system, it's a renewable energy project, and also this system is we can use everywhere in the world. Recently, the Rwandan High Commissioner visited our hospital, and also we are ready to replicate this model to the Rwandan hospitals also. Anyway, our main mission of our project is the uninterrupted power supply to the world, because all human pain is the same. Thank you.
I should like to thank all members of this panel for their substantive but succinct statements and for rising to the challenge of giving leadership on time management. Irena,